Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Today, I'm going to be bringing you guys some information on how you could be pre approved for a business credit card all the way up to $50,000. Now, today we have Capital on tap. Now, this is a business credit card, and I do recommend applying for this business credit card if you have a corporation or a LLC and a EIN number. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can earn 1.5% cash back with credit limits all the way up to $50,000. There is no hidden fees or no annual fees with this credit card. Now, as I did mention, they do have a lower APR from 18.49% all the way up to 35.99%. But again, this is based on credit worthiness. Now, they do have a limit as high as $50,000. And again, this is also based on credit worthiness. I do recommend applying for this credit card if you have a 670 credit score and above. Now, this lender does pull from Experian, okay? And I do recommend that you at least be in business for 6 months or more in order to be approved for this credit card, okay? Now, they have track cards spend in real time, unlimited free company cards. So if you have multiple people that do work for you, they will be able to get access of these credit cards, and you will be able to set a limit for your employees. So say, if example, if you want one of your employees to spend $100, no more than that, then that's what your employees will have to spend. Okay, they also have AutoSonic with accounting software, and I just think this could be a really good card, especially if you are looking to build your business credit. And then also, if you are going on this application as a personal guarantor, I do recommend you at least having a 670 credit score and above. Now, this lender does do web bank pay as well. So if you do have a PayPal account, that can also help with this account as well. But as I did mention, this credit card could be a great business credit card. If you go on here as a personal guarantor, they will do a soft inquiry on your credit report. But if you do accept those terms and the conditions, there will be a hard inquiry. Now, it's like I said, if you guys are looking to build your personal credit or your business credit and you have a LLC or a corporation business, this credit card could definitely be beneficial for you in your small business. Again, they have a limit as high as $50,000. And if you are approved for this credit card, it can take up to 2 business days, okay? And then your card can arrive within 4 days later. And then they also have their virtual credit cards as well, which you can start using your credit card immediately. So if you guys are looking for a business credit card for your big business or your small business, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.